And in response to the rising number of confirmed COVID-19 cases, Governor Gavin Newsom announced today that schools will remain physically closed until the end of the school year. 23 ABC's Imani Stevens joins us live in Northwest Bakersfield with the Kern County Superintendent of Schools' plan for transitioning to distance learning. Imani?
Jess, it's been close to 2 weeks as Kern County schools have transitioned from in-person instruction to online. Now today, the Kern County Superintendent of Schools announced today a partnership through Canvas, where local school districts will begin using this online platform to create virtual classrooms for its students and teachers. Now Canvas is a customizable, able to meet the specific needs of teachers and students, as well as integrated with Zoom to provide students the opportunity to interact in real time with their teachers and classmates. User support is also available at no cost to school districts. The platform allows teachers to share resources, curriculum, lessons, and collaborate. Students can access Canvas on any mobile device such as a phone, tablet, or computer. And while Canvas is being made available to any Kern County school district that wishes to use it at no cost through June 30th, 2020, the governor issued an executive order ensuring funding for schools to provide resources and access to students and educators as they make this transition to online learning due to COVID-19.
Google has announced thousands of Chromebooks that they'll also be making available for those that may say, well, that's wonderful. I have access to the internet now, but I don't have anything to connect it to. And so they will be providing those Chromebooks in addition to providing minimum 3 months unlimited capacity at 100,000+ sites throughout the state of California.
In a media press briefing this afternoon, Tony Thurman, the California Superintendent of Public Instruction, recommended that all school districts continue to use distant learning, and there are training opportunities available virtually for teachers to better understand how to continue educating their students online. The state superintendent says decisions will be made on the local level as to when schools can be able to reopen, and stressed that the main concern is that students continue to learn distance learning until it's safe to return on campus. For now, reporting live in Northwest Bakersfield, I'm Imani Stevens, 23 ABC News, connecting you.
All right, Imani, thanks. And the Kern County Superintendent of Schools announcing that distance learning efforts are ramping up for Kern County educators. KCSOS teaming up with Canvas, which is an online learning platform. It's being made available to any Kern County school district that wishes to utilize the platform at no cost through June 30th. According to KCSOS, Canvas allows grade-level content to be pushed out to students and includes video lessons, learning activities, daily assignments, and more.